In this video, I'll teach you how to make this very simple soy sauce braised pork the easy way. Let's get started. First, I wiped my meat with kitchen paper so it's nice and dry and easier for the next step. And then cut the meat and potato into bite size. After that, I cut off ginger skin, crushed some garlic, put them into a little bag along with a piece of dried chili, star anise, bay leaf, and Sichuan pepper. Seal them tight so when you're eating this dish, you won't get spices stuck in your mouth. Next, let's caramelize some sugar. The caramelized sugar serves as a sweetener in this dish, and also its color will make the dish look more appetizing. But you can just skip this step and add some sugar instead. When you see sugar start browning, pour hot water into it. If the water is cold, it will cause explosion. Cooking caramelized sugar is very time essential. If you pour the water too late, it will get burned and cause the whole dish to taste bitter. Now we sear the meat. This is a very important step because without searing, there will be way too much fat in pork belly and it's gonna taste gross. After all the pieces become nice and golden, pour in the water, we can start braising. Remember, do not add additional salt because these sauces are already salty enough. I also add a little bit SMG, which you don't have to, and Chinese cooking wine, which is a yellow color alcohol that's kind of similar to sake. However, I didn't have either in my house. The Chinese cooking wine was told able to remove undesirable odor from the meat. I dropped the potato in with the meat because I like the soft and mushy texture. Also, it's lesser work to cook this way. But you can pressure cook the meat first and drop in the potato in the middle of the cooking. When releasing the pressure, be careful to not get your hand burned. Use a tool perhaps. There was still too much liquid remaining in the pot than I like, so I decided to reduce the sauce but keep boiling. But if you don't want your food like potato to be overcooked, you can just take everything out and let the sauce boil along. To further thicken the sauce, I added some starch and water mixture.
Yeah, boy.
And finally, it's time to present. The soy sauce braised pork goes really well with rice. Just look at it. Yum!
Yeah. 太好吃了。好吃。
高压锅还可以再多来个3分钟。土豆完全压烂了，然后土豆的淀粉散开，裹住了所有的肉跟其他的东西，就口感特别好。肉可以再烂一点。最开始煸炒肉的时候， 还是用个不粘锅巴，这样的话可以煸得更久一点。感觉肉稍微偏肥了一点，但味道还是挺不错的。土豆蓉的酱汁里真的特别好吃。下次继续努力。
拜拜。
拜拜。那么，当了一天美食博主的感觉怎么样呢？
作为负责拍摄，然后负责吃，还有负责洗碗的人来说，辛苦你们了。这个碗都要洗个半天，大家请一定要给我们投赞、点币。1300，谢谢，也感谢广大美食博主们的付出，谢谢，阿里嘎多，阿里嘎多，拜拜，我洗碗去了。好了，好了，不要拍了，别拍了，啊，这个碗好他妈多呀！